How to schedule a showing using CSS. First, you'll want to log in. If you haven't created an account already, you'll want to sign up now. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Go to the Appointments tab and schedule an appointment. Here, you can schedule showings using the MLS number or the address. I will input my properties now that I would like to show. Make sure to spell the street name correctly and have the right house number. It is not necessary to put in drive, street, avenue, or other suffixes on the address. When it all looks correct, you can hit Search Listings at the bottom. If you need more spaces, you may hit Add More Boxes. It could not find one property that I would like to show. I will make sure that I have the address correct. It looks like I put in the wrong house number. If I hit the Search Again button, I can try searching again. If you have more than 10 properties that you are needing to schedule appointments for, you may hit the Use Unlimited Entry Mode button under the Search Listings button. This will allow you to put in as many listings as you would like. Let's search again. It found all the listings that I wanted. So now choose what type of showing it is. A showing, a preview, or an inspection. This one will just be a showing. Choose the date and the estimated time you will be there. A typical showing will last about an hour. Some listings have showing restrictions where you are only allowed to show during a certain time period during the day. Make sure to check the listing. If you find out there's a listing on your list here that you do not want to show, press the red X button to get rid of it. I will schedule each house for an hour. This will give my clients plenty of time to look at the home. You can change the times if you realize you would like to look at the homes in a different order. Once everything looks good, go ahead and hit the Confirm Times button at the bottom. Double check once again to make sure that the addresses and the time and date look correct, and then hit the Schedule All Showings Now button. It will take you to a screen that will give you the showing instructions. Here you can find out where the lockbox is located, what type of lockbox it is, who the listing agent is, and if the appointment has been confirmed. Some appointments will need further acceptance from the seller. Once everything looks good, you can print the details so you have all of the showing codes in front of you, or you can map a route. Select the listings that you would like on the route, by choosing the gray box to the left of the address. Then hit the green Map It button. This will bring up Google Maps. Make sure to choose your starting point and your ending point. We'll start and end at the office. Once everything looks good, hit the blue Map It button. This will give you your route. Make sure to note how long it will take to get from each property to the next. I noticed that it will take me about 20 minutes to get from my second showing to my third showing, and 20 minutes from my first showing to my second. I may need to adjust my showing times. You can also print the route with a map for you and your client. Now let's reschedule some of those showings. To adjust for drive time, I'm going to push back my second and third showings a half hour. Looks good. Make sure to check your email for the showing instructions. For some appointments, it may be necessary to acknowledge that the seller has accepted your showing. It's also convenient to have the showing instructions handy on your phone in your email in case you lose the showing instructions you printed out or don't have access to a printer. Under the Appointments tab, you can look at your current appointments, look at the showing instructions, under Reports, you can look at the appointments you have for your buyers. After you finish the showing, you can provide feedback. This is often helpful for many agents who are having trouble selling a home, or you can let them know that you are planning on placing an offer. You can look at the appointments by day, month. You can look at as many or as few showings at a time as you would like. You can also check to see if you have forgotten to give feedback. Looks like I have. Make sure to provide feedback.